Hello, good evening guys. Kakain po tayo guys, tanghali, pananghalian at saka dinner. Ano na siya guys, together na 2 in 1. Kasi galing kayo sa trabaho guys. So, ito, brown rice. Para pampayat daw. Ito, chicken with beef flavor. And this my favorite, dried fish from Philippines. And this is lady finger, okra. And too much oil, you can swim. This one, red plum. And dragon fruits. We will try this one. And this one, this is the bread of Arabic. Ito yung pang-pares nila sa mga pagkain. Katulad nito. Ito yung ano, ipares. Kunwari, para siyang parang rice. Tapos, may ano, apple. Pero hindi ko type yung apple. Parang nagsasawa na ako, guys. So, ito guys, sakain kami. Oh my love, what you can say? It's very tasty.
It's okay.
Tasty?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Not coming tasty, but it's okay.
Oh, bye guys.